Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to talk about my B4 Armory CSS, which is a concealable sniper system. It literally fits in here with a 16-inch barrel. All right, so with a little bit of movie magic, here it is laid out. You have the main portion of it, right? The main chassis, which is a folding stock, and the actual action or the front part or the back part, whatever part of the action with grip and trigger mechanism and all that jazz. And then you have the rail, right? The rail that slides on and locks into place. It uses a QD that's on the actual top part of the action. And then we have whatever barrel you're going to use. I have 3 of them. This is my 6.5 16-inch barrel. I have my 16-inch 308 barrel, and I have my 22-inch 6.5 Creedmoor barrel. So I have 3 barrels for it because I can swap them whenever, and I ended up having to do that. I'll explain that later. Here's my bipod that fit in the bag too. I have 2 extended mags in there that hold 14 rounds each. I have my locking block for when I need to keep the gun clear to show it's clear, or my chamber flag. This one is from Veil Solutions. He makes a bunch of different ones, but he made one for an AI style mag, and it's pretty sweet. And then I have my suppressor that fits in there, but I didn't have it in there just out of the sake of I keep it in my safe and stuff differently. And then I had my sling rolled up, which the sling I use is a Flatline Fiberco Killa sling with 2 QDs on it. It works really well because it's padded, and this bad boy, the way I have it, is a little over 14 or 15 pounds. So she needs a little love. And then obviously I have my Armageddon Game Changer on the other side, which is another key aspect to my sniper setup, or what I have here. So what is the CSS?